let's go. Yeah, climb, 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 climb. Bum, 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 bum. No problem. Brake. Woo. Little stoppy. And now some wheelies. Woo. Yeah, also some huge bumps and holes and jumping. Try the grass field. Yeah, it's very bumpy. Woohoo! Yeah. Or we try a skate park. No problem. Ja, servus beieinander. Yeah, as you know, I test every kind of vehicle. Today I will test an electric scooter for you. Yeah, I got a scooter from AUSOM. It's the model L1 and it is ABE certified. That means it's certified for road use in Germany. Just check out the links in the description. This scooter has some off-road abilities with a real suspension. And of course, due to we are living here on the countryside, we will test it in these conditions. So and now we turn it on. And now we need the password or the NFC card to unlock the scooter. As you can see, we have 0 kilometers and battery is fully loaded. So now we can also do a range test. And we have different modes. We have the eco mode, the sport mode and the race mode. Of course, we will use the race mode. And now let's take a little ride around our little city. Yeah, the conditions for the range test are sadly not the best because it's pretty cold. We already have autumn and yeah, soon we will have winter. So now there's a steep road. We will check if we can climb it. Yeah, no problem. Little bump. Boing. No problem. So let's check the slope. It was about up to 7 degrees. So now there's another very steep road. It's a short, but it's very steep. And we will see if we can make it. Okay, let's go. Climb, climb. Yeah, we made it. Let's measure the slope. It is about 12 degrees. And another try. So let's go. Yeah, climb, 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 climb. Yes, we made it. Now let's see if we can go down these steps here. And bum, 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 bum. No problem. Wow. And once again. Bum, 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 bum. As you can see, you have so much ground clearance. And of course, we will also test the acceleration and top speed via GPS. So I just mounted the Draggy. GoPro is running. So let's go. Yeah, you really feel it's cutting the speed at about 20 kilometers per hour. It could go, I guess, way faster. Yeah, the open version of the L1 goes up to 45 kilometers per hour. That would be nice, but sadly not valid in Germany. And another one. So let's go. So the top speed is slightly above 20 kilometers per hour. And now we will also do some brake test from top speed. So we lean a little bit backwards and brake. Yeah, nice. Even though it only has wire operated brakes, it's braking pretty good, I would say. So let's do some more brake tests. Maybe we can get better. So we accelerate to top speed, lean backwards and brake. Woo! Little stoppy. And another one, accelerate, lean backwards and brake. Yeah, we're getting better and better. Nice. Another one. Lean backward and brake. Yeah, even better. And the last one. Lean backwards and brake. So let's check the stats. Whoa! It's getting better and better. The last attempt was the best one with only 0.72 seconds, braking from 20 kilometers per hour, and the braking distance only was 2.1 meters. I would say that's very nice for braking from 20 kilometers per hour. And now some wheelies. Woo! And now we will test the off-road abilities, because here in the countryside we have a lot of gravel roads, farm roads, forest roads. Perfect conditions to test the off-road abilities of this scooter. Yeah, also some huge bumps and holes, but it's working very well, no problem. Yeah, we have so many of these little roads around our village, so this scooter is perfect for us. There's a big bump and jumping! And now we try the grass field. Yeah, it's very bumpy. Yeah, and due to the off-road tires, it has a lot of grip. Also on very tight corners. Very nice. And now we will test the off-road abilities in a bike dirt park. Woohoo! Yeah, it works. A little bit shaking. Yes. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, a very good ground clearance, as you can see. And of course the side stand is the first that hits the ground. But it's possible to ride in such a bike park. Or we try a skate park. No problem. Woohoo! And again. Woo! So now the battery is coming to an end soon, and therefore also our range test, and we will see how far we can go. And yeah, right now it's also the speed is going slower, so it loses power. So now it's really empty. So as you can see, we have 34 kilometers at the auto, means a range of 34 kilometers with one battery charge. And yeah, as I already mentioned, it was very cold. Now my fingers are freezing. It was very cold, so very bad conditions for a range test. And yeah, I did a lot of fast acceleration and braking for all my tests, for the acceleration tests, the brake test, and I did a lot of wheelie tests. So that eats the battery energy. But I would say 34 kilometers is okay for these conditions. So now we go recharging and maybe do some more tests. And don't forget to check out the links in the description. So have fun and ride safe!